no. Okay. Daddy, is it dirty?
Very dirty, my boy. Right, I'm gonna wash these in the washing machine.
And also watch this side.
First thing you need is a pillowcase.
Pillowcase.
Yep, pillowcase.
We need a pillow
There,
case.
because I don't have a laundry bag. Right, shoes are in a pillowcase. Have to figure out how to tie this. I'll probably use a sock or a, I don't know, those hairband D stuff. Right, tie them with a sock. Now they're gonna go into the machine. What am I gonna use? The normal laundry detergent. Nothing special.
Yeah.
Right, we are by the washing machine. Shoes go in. Then there's the dispenser. Right, I'm gonna throw like half, literally just one cap of this guy. Right, some normal laundry detergent. Not gonna use much, maybe half of that. Is it too much? I don't know. Throw it in there. Is it the detergent side? Yeah. Throw that in there. Cool. So we normally keep. So this is. There's a fabric softener, man. It makes it smell good. I know it's in a Coca-Cola bottle, but yo, this is how we keep it. Put a little bit in there. It's probably like a quarter of a cup. And the Vanish, bro. The Vanish. Okay, this I need to be very careful. I'm just gonna throw in one cap. Okay, there's the Vanish. Goes in with the soap. Right, we're good. We good. Okay, cool. Close that baby. Close this baby. Right, so the water level, we're gonna go with the lowest. And the type of wash, we need everything. Normal. Should we do a quick wash or a normal wash? I don't know. Let's see, it's a quick wash, 34 minutes. Do you want to soak first? Oh, nah, it's too long, man. Huh? Quick wash. Jeans. You know what, let's just stick with that. So these are my options. So this first time trying this, so Godspeed. Start. Let's go. We'll check it later. So the truth is, I had to take them out after the first wash. Use a toothbrush. Just had to, the section here was a bit dirty. Had to get some dishwashing liquid, clean that up, put it back in the wash, but I only did a rinse, and that was it. So I only washed it once, took it out, then found the hard spots, cleaned them, and then put them back in the machine, ran a rinse and a spin, and we are good. From what they were to this, we are good.